Yellowstone National Park takes up portions of 3 states, Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. It was created on March 1, 1872, when then-President Ulysses S. Grant signed the National Parks Act into law. Though Yellowstone National Park is home to many true waterfalls, what you are about to see in the first portion of this video is actually snow melt-off. That's the product of snow melting off of the mountains and then running down the various hills into the rivers and lakes in Yellowstone National Park. The grizzly bear, also known as the American brown bear or simply grizzly, is a large population or subspecies of brown bear inhabiting North America. The average male weighs 600 pounds, while the average female weighs 290 to 440 pounds. Yellowstone Lake is the largest body of water in Yellowstone National Park. The lake is 7,732 feet above sea level and covers 136 square miles with 110 miles of shoreline, while the average depth of the lake is 139 feet. Its greatest depth is at least 394 feet. The American bison, or simply bison, also commonly known as the American buffalo, is an American species of bison that once roamed North America in vast herds. The average adult bison is 9.3 feet long. The average male adult bison is 1,000 to 2,200 pounds, and the average female is 790 to 1,200 pounds. Yellowstone is one of the world's largest active volcanic systems. It has produced several giant volcanic eruptions, as well as many smaller eruptions and steam explosions. Although no eruptions of lava or volcanic ash have occurred for many thousands of years, future eruptions are likely. The Yellowstone River is a tributary of the Missouri River, approximately 692 miles long in the western United States. Considered the principal tributary of the upper Missouri, the river and its tributaries drain a wide area stretching from the Rocky Mountains in the vicinity of Yellowstone National Park, across the mountains and high plains of southern Montana and northern Wyoming. Thank you for joining us for this brief tour of America's first national park. If you are ever in Wyoming, we invite you to join us and visit its splendor.